Hello student. Today we will discuss about Prezi, how to write Prezi with an example. So here is the text. After that we will find out the main points of the text and then we will do Prezi of this text. So this is about text. I begin. It is no doubt true that we cannot go through life without sorrow. There can be no sunshine without shade. We must not complain that roses have thorns, but rather we be grateful that thorns have roses. Our existence here is such that we must expect much sorrow and suffering. Many people distress and torment themselves about the mystery of existence, but although a good man may at times be angry with the world, it is certain that no man was ever discontented with the world who did his duty in it. The world is like a looking glass. If you smile, it smiles. If you frown, it frowns back. If you look at it through red glass, all seems red and rosy. If through a blue, then on blue. Always try to look at the bright side of things, as almost everything in the world has a bright side. There are some persons whose smile and the very presence seems like a ray of sunshine and brighten the whole room. Greet everybody with a smile, kind words, and pleasant welcome. It is not enough to love those who are near and dear to us. We must show it to others also. At the same time, we should be grateful to God and enjoy to the full innumerable blessings of life. So this is all about the text. As you have seen here, something about life, something about sorrow, something about sadness. So, what are the main points? Underline the main points of the text and then we will proceed to the précis. So, here are some main points of the text, and the writer talks about sorrow and despair. Optimism is there. World reflects our true self. This is also here a line. World reflects our true inner self. So, cheerful and pleasant nature of man. He discussed here cheerful and pleasant nature of man also. And he also told us life about life, as life is a mixture of good and bad, joy and sorrow. About contented and discontented persons. So, the writer talks about the contented and discontented persons also. One has to accept life as it is. So, in last line, he shows that we have to accept life, one has to accept life as it is. So, these are some main points, and now we have to find the suitable title for the précis. So, here are some suitable titles. You can, précis is not only about one idea one gets, it's about multiple interpretations. One interprets how one interprets about the paragraph. So, you can find as many as subtitles here. We can find contented man, we can give a subtitle contented man also, optimism in life and the way of life, world colon a reflections of our inner self, and the next is the mirror of life, life is a blessing, the mirror of life, embrace the world, life is to live. So these are some subtitles you can use in your précis, and you can find out your own subtitle also. So there is no limit to all only these subtitles. So you can find out your own subtitle here. And now the précis, how to live life. So the précis, we gave this a subtitle, how to live life, कि कैसे जीनी चाहिए हमें अपनी life. So the précis is sorrow and sufferings are the inseparable parts of one's life, our existence is meaningless, or we can say one's existence is meaningless without them, without sorrow and suffering. A man who does his duties well is the most contented person in this world. The world reflects our inner self. A man must be optimistic so that the world appears to him to be full of hope. One should radiate happiness all around him. Life is not always about sorrowful or joyful moments. It's a mixture of good and bad, and one has to accept it such. So this is all about the Prezi, how to live life. You can give subtitle of your own on your own. So this is about Prezi, and you can find out the length also here in original text. What is the length, and in your Prezi, in your briefing, you can just compress the idea, just brief the idea, gives the outline of the idea and summarize the whole point. So this is all about Prezi, and you can give any subtitle. Here we have many subtitles, so you can give any subtitle to this Prezi. So this is all about Prezi, and practice this at your own. So here we are. Thank you very much.